In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources in this phone. So first of all, you need to open the list of all apps and enter the settings. Here go to Apps and Notifications and go to Special App Access. And from this list, select Install Unknown Apps, and here you can give permission to some particular apps, for example, Google Chrome, and if you want to install some app from the source, just click on Allow from the source. And it works the same way for each app of those listed here. Just mark the switcher and you will be able to install another app via this source. So this is it. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.